The most successful people are the storytellers, because when you're able to embed yourself in someone else's story, you have the ability to understand them. Every patient that comes through this door has a story. Every single one of you that works here has a story. And it's almost an ever-evolving story. Whether what happened on the weekend, you may see it on her face, you may see it in her body language, something happened. But everybody has a story. And what happens is that when you understand the person's story, you have the ability to connect to them. You know, I always say it's never about the teeth, right? You obviously have to be skilled. You have to have the right team. You have to have the right process that put together. But everybody claims that they have that. What makes the difference is the ability to listen to their story. So when a person says to you, you know, I had this and this happen to me, it's important to understand where they came from, but it's also very important to understand, to tell them that we're going to rewrite their new story and their story of trauma from before, where they sort of held themselves back all this time, where they said, oh, you know, I'm so afraid of the dentist, or I went to the dentist and it was so much money, or I went to the dentist and he or she didn't listen to me. All of that story can be rewritten. You know, and especially in your life, you may have a story in your life that says, well, you know, every time I go to this store, they treat me this way. Every time I talk to this friend, they answer me this way. You have the ability and the right to rewrite your story, to really have the power to say, this is the way I want my life to be. Whether you're a person, whether you're a patient, whether you're anybody in this world, you have the right to do that. And you're most successful if you're able to embed yourself in somebody's story and help them change it.